Hey guys, today we are looking at the latest JioFi device which is Flipkart exclusive and available just for about 999 rupees. So let's quickly unbox this and take a quick look, and also if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Alright, now let's take a look at the box. So this is how the box looks, which is pretty handy and comes very well packed as always from Flipkart, and you can see the MRP is 2500, but it is only available at, as I said, just 1000 rupees. So talking about the quick specs, the model is called Jmr815 and weighs about 95 grams, and it can also take micro SD cards up to 64 GB, and you can see this is how the JioFi device looks. And let's take a look at the contents. So this is the manual, and this is the charger along with the charging adapter. So these are the things that you get, and also the battery, which is 3000 mAh. So these are the contents that you get within the box, and one good thing about this is that it supports band 3, band 5 and also band 40, which is supposedly faster, so we have to test that out. Anyway, let's take a look at the device itself in a close-up. Now as you can see, it has the battery indicator, signal indicator and Wi-Fi strength indicator, and also the power button and the WPS button and micro USB port, which should take about 3 hours to charge. Now taking a look at the back, you will see designed in India and also the Jio 4G voice support available for this. And on the front you will see this big logo Jio, and the build quality is not too bad. It is all plastic, by the way. Now if you open up, you will find the SIM slot, and also you can insert micro SD card up to 64 GB. So as you can see, I also have a older JioFi device, and I'm also going to compare this to in terms of speed test and performance, Wi-Fi range and everything, so do stay tuned. So taking a look at these two side by side, I would say the older version has a better build quality, but I believe the newer version should perform really better in terms of network speed and performance, which is why I bought this device. Another good thing is that you can easily carry it around. As you can see here, this is my Honor 7X mobile, and in comparison to that, these are really small, so you can easily carry them around and use them as Wi-Fi on the go, because it does not hit too much on your phone's battery. So that is really good, and also other people can connect as well. So this was a quick look and unboxing video. I hope you liked it. Please like and share this video, also subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you soon.